friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS ProArt Cinema PQ07 135-inch micro LED display. So friend, it is a 135-inch 4K HDR monitor featuring advanced panel technology, an ultra small 0.7815 mm pixel pitch, 2000 nits peak brightness, high contrast and 95% DCI P3 color gamut to ensure the best viewing experience, and compared to conventional micro LED displays with a 1.2 or 1.5 mm pixel pitch, and the ProArt Cinema PQ07 delivers smoother and more vibrant visuals, and the large screen displays were suited for various sceneries, home cinema, virtual production and broadcasting, and fully scalable for different size and aspect ratios. And the ProArt Display PA24US is the first ProArt model with HDI connectivity and is ideal for real-time on-set preview and playback, and this is 23.6-inch 4K HDR display has a maximum brightness of 600 nits to 10-bit color, 99% Adobe RGB, 95% DCI P3 and Delta E list and 1 color accuracy, and it supports multiple HDR formats including HDR10 and HLG, and it includes built-in motorized colorimeter for self-calibration, TLG, SDI and full function USB Type-C port with 80 watt power delivery. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.